Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my corned beef. This is one of my absolute favorites and one of the things that my mom usually cooks on Saturday when she don't want to cook. So I started off by peeling my potatoes and putting it to boil. You want to boil your potatoes until they're nice and soft, but not too soft. When you insert a fork, it's going to be inserted easily. So when my potatoes are finished cooking, I'm just going to take that out of the water and set it aside. Here's the corned beef that I'll be using today. I'm gonna add some oil to my pan, and when that's heated, I'm gonna add my onions and saute it until it's caramelized. When my onions are finished caramelizing, I'm gonna add my potatoes and fry it up along with some green onions. My green seasoning, black pepper, and my cube. I'm just gonna give that a quick stir until everything is fried up. While I'm frying up my potatoes, you guys can go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updates on my latest videos. Don't forget to put on the notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos, and leave a comment and let me know if you guys like corned beef, if you don't, and what's your favorite thing to eat it with. Now, my favorite thing to eat corned beef is with roti. It just melts in my mouth. Roti and corned beef is my absolute favorite. Let me know what you guys like it. I see some people eat corned beef and chow mein, corned beef and macaroni. I've never had it. I don't want to try it. Let me know what you guys like it with. I'm gonna open my tin of corned beef and I'm gonna add it to a plate and loosen that up before I put it in my pot with my potatoes. I don't want to put it in whole, just like that, from the tin to the pot, because when I'm trying to loosen it up, there's a chance that I might crush my potatoes. I don't want crushed potatoes with my corned beef. I want my potatoes in nice cubes. So when I'm finished crushing it up, loosening up my corned beef, I'm gonna add it to my potatoes and fry that up. I like to add green onions to my corned beef also, but I can't add a lot because my kids are gonna eat it and they're not gonna want it. They're gonna say, "Mommy, I don't want that. I don't like that green thing." So I just gotta put a little bit where they can't see it. Oh, that's how I gotta cook for my kids. Can't cook how I want to cook. Anyway, so this is what my corned beef should look like when it's done. And I'm just gonna enjoy this with my roti, and let me know if you guys like it too and what you guys like to eat it with. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Bye.